for the outsiders who are driven by food and flame. Introducing the Vermont Castings Wood Pellet Fire Pit and Cooking Grill Fire Pit. Both models feature a unique smoke reduction airflow system that helps remove excess smoke from reaching your clothes, eyes, and neighbor's yard. The Cooking Grill Fire Pit is a 2-in-1 open flame outdoor fire pit and grill, fueled by firewood, wood pellets, or charcoal. It features both deep fire and traditional fire settings that allow you to customize your flame and cooking experience with the included grate and griddle. It also includes a lifter that can be used to adjust the fire, lift the griddle or grate while hot, or adjust the ember screen. Our new wood pellet steel fire pit is fueled by wood pellets that produce a vibrant flame and minimal ash. It features a durable, high-temperature black-coated steel construction that provides 360 degrees of visibility and warmth. Plus, it comes with a convenient dual-purpose cover that can also be used as a storage and travel bag. The Vermont Castings Wood Pellet Fire Pit and Cooking Grill Fire Pit, expertly crafted for the outsiders.